Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I am the Speaking Bear, and in my channel we're going to learn English together in a fun and simple way. In my channel we're going to go over some English phrases. There is a difference between ESL English and culture. ESL English is a very good place to start, but what I want to help you with is understanding culture. And in culture, we use a lot of English phrases in our daily vocabulary. We will also be going over English business, and the reason for that is because I want you to practice your listening skills. When I talk about marketing, sales and negotiation, international business, the whole point of those videos is to practice your listening skills. We will also go through word pronunciations. Now, I'm not perfect, so I will make mistakes along the way, especially when I'm making my videos. But when it comes to word pronunciations, there's a lot of people from different places around the world that are learning English. So when it comes to word pronunciations, it could be a little bit difficult. So what I want to do is I want to help you. And of course, my videos are all free. I will be posting a few times a week, so Tuesdays or Thursdays, and then for some other videos, it might be Monday and Wednesday. So that way you will find content throughout the whole week. If there's any phrases that you've heard on your own time, let's say you're watching a movie or a TV show and you heard a phrase, I want you to write that phrase down and share it in one of my videos. And together we can learn. And lastly, please go ahead and comment, like, share, and subscribe. I do these videos by myself. I record the videos, I do the research on the videos, I edit my videos, and of course I post and market my videos. So if you would like to share and subscribe, that'd be wonderful. If you think these videos are very useful, you could also share to your ESL teacher and maybe watch these videos in class. And together as a class, you could watch my videos, let's say a phrase video, and then you guys could do an activity where you have to use that phrase in conversation. And also, if you want to sponsor any of my videos, my email is down below. So if you want to reach out, do collaborations, reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. So let's start our journey together. Let's learn, let's have fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.